Podcast script for the Ministry of AI, exploring ChatGPT o1's revolutionary reasoning abilities. Host, welcome back to the Ministry of AI, your go-to podcast for cutting-edge AI research. Today, we're diving into a fascinating research paper, a tutorial on LLM Reasoning, relevant methods behind ChatGPT o1, which explores how OpenAI's latest model, ChatGPT o1, is redefining reasoning in artificial intelligence. Problem: why does AI struggle with deep thinking? Large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT have always been great at generating fluent responses, but their ability to reason, to break down complex problems step by step, has been limited. The conventional method of predicting the next word works well for casual conversation, but fails when solving mathematical equations, writing complex code, or making logical inferences. That's where ChatGPT o1 comes in. Breakthrough. Reinforcement learning for slow systematic reasoning. The paper discusses how OpenAI o1 has moved away from rapid single-step predictions toward deliberate reasoning, mimicking what cognitive scientists call System 2 thinking, the reflective, logical part of human cognition. Unlike its predecessors, ChatGPT o1 takes longer during inference to generate better quality answers using techniques like native chain of thought, native COT. How does it do this? Through a fundamental shift in AI training, integrating reinforcement learning at both training and inference stages. Instead of just optimizing next word prediction, o1 learns to maximize long-term reasoning rewards, much like a human refining their thought process over time. Methodologies. Structuring AI reasoning as a decision process. The paper describes reasoning as a Markov decision process, MDP, where each step in reasoning is treated as an action in a sequence, optimized for maximum correctness. This allows LLMs to 1. Break down problems into intermediate steps instead of jumping to conclusions. 2. Simulate multiple reasoning paths using powerful search algorithms like Monte Carlo tree search, MCTS. 3. Verify reasoning quality using reward models, helping AI distinguish good logic from bad. Implications. How ChatGPT o1 changes the game. ChatGPT o1's reasoning capabilities have produced game-changing results. 5 times the proficiency of GPT-4o in math and coding. Ranked in the top 500 of a U.S. math Olympiad, surpassing many human competitors. Dominated code competitions, beating 93% of human contestants on Codeforces. Beyond performance, this advancement also impacts AI alignment and safety, allowing future language models to better follow human instructions while minimizing harmful outputs. Though OpenAI's techniques remain closed source, this paper suggests guidelines for replicating their success in open source models. Future research will focus on optimizing test time computation, improving reward modeling, and creating LLMs that can reason even more dynamically, moving us closer to artificial general intelligence. Outro. That's a wrap for today's episode. Thanks for listening. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel. To advance your AI knowledge further, check out our free courses at the Ministry of AI. You'll find the link in the description below. Until next time.